What it do out there, guys? What it do? What it do? Right now I'm getting ready. I set up my little paint station right there. As from the other video, I had a video a while ago of fixing up one of my Schwinns. So it's mad nice. It's that time of the season. That time where it's real nice outside. So now I get to work on my bikes. Restoring them, painting them, or whatever. So I don't got a lot of time to do them. Only got probably like an hour or two. Out the day, cause I'm at work. But I'm fixing my little station, my little shoppy shop. You know what I mean? It's ghetto though, but I gotta work with I gotta work with what I got. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna try to get a battery light. So when I get out of work. At night, I could just come here for another hour or two, and do my thing, So, yeah, so I'm gonna get to it. I already got it primered, Now I'm gonna throw on some nice paint on it. So right now I'm gonna use a shirt or a cloth or whatever, y'all could use to take the rough edges off, And my man Tupac right there, I got some fenders hanging, PR all day. I'm half Puerto Rican, half Mexican. Yeah, I got the boxing joint right here. So niggas wanna fuck with me, you feel me? Nah. Just keep my hands, keep my hands on point, you feel me? Got the man's rainbow right there, what's up? You got them rims, them fan rims, holla at me. So I'm gonna let it dry right now, and I'm gonna hit it with another coat, So I just got the bike painted all nice, and I'm about to put some gloss on them, make it look crazy nice right now. Look at the color on this, it's nice already. Look at that. So yeah, that's it. That's that one project I had. That's done right now. I just gotta buy a seat for it. I just gotta get a seat for it, but I've been trying to look, to get a nice, old school look seat. But so next time, man, I'm gonna holla at y'all. Thank you for tuning in. God bless and take care. So I came out. So I just painted this right here. yesterday, and I'm about to put it on. Everything came out. Got that going on. I got a few more projects coming through. Boom, boom. A few more projects coming through. Got that one over there too. Little by little, I got everything. So I finished my project. Let me know what y'all think. It took a few, but I got done.